You can use many different operations with polynomials. In this video, we're going to divide polynomials, and I'll show you a couple of ways of doing that. Example 1, we're going to divide every term by negative 8x. So when I do that, so you could write it separately as negative 64x to the 5th divided by negative 8x. Plus, we got 32x to the 4th divided by negative 8x. And we got a minus 72x divided by negative 8x. So my answer would be negative 64 divided by negative 8 is positive 8. X to the 5th divided by x. Remember, when we divide like bases, we subtract the exponents. So this would be x to the 4th. 32 divided by negative 8 is a negative 4. X to the 4th divided by x is x cubed. And negative 72x divided by negative 8x is a positive 8. Example 2, we're going to divide by a rational expression. So when you're dividing by a fraction, you're really multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to write the reciprocal of the dividend here. So that would be 5 over 2xy. And then I'm going to distribute that. So this would be 4x to the 3rd, y to the 4th over 1 minus 3x squared, y squared over 1 plus 10x to the 4th, y to the 3rd over 1. Now I just distribute, so 5 times 4 gives us 20, x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, all over 2xy, minus 15 x squared, y squared, all over 2xy, and then plus 50 x to the 4th, y to the 3rd, all over 2xy. And then I simplify it from there. So when I do that, 20 divided by 2 is 10. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Y to the 4th divided by y is y cubed. And then I have minus 15 divided by 2 is just still 15 over 2. X squared divided by x is x. Y squared divided by y is y. Make sure that's on the top. And then I have plus 50 divided by 2 is 25. X to the 4th divided by x is x cubed. And then I have y cubed divided by y is y squared. So this would be my final answer. On the last one, we're divided by 3d squared. You could use long division, but for this one, I think it'd just be quicker just to divide everything by 3d squared. And that would give us 12 divided by 3 is 4d to the 3rd minus 2d plus 3 over d squared. Now let's just say we were going to do long division on that. Let me erase what I have here and do the long division. I would have the 3d squared here, and then I would write 12d to the 5th minus 6d cubed plus 9. I need to make this, I need to multiply all this by to get d to the fifth, so I would have d cubed, and that would be 4d cubed. And I would have 4d cubed times 3d squared gives me 12. When I multiply like bases, I add the exponents, so d to the fifth. I subtract below, and that gives me 0. Bring down the next term, which is negative 6d to the third. I need another d, and I need to make this a negative 6d cubed. So I'm going to multiply this by a negative 2d, and that would give us a negative 6d to the third. And when I subtract everything, that gives me 0 and bring a 9 down. And that gives me a positive 9. So my remainder would be 9 over 3d squared, which I can simplify that. And that would give us 4d cubed minus 2d plus 3 over d squared. So that is just another way of doing it. I probably would do it the same way I did example 1. But that is how you can divide with polynomials.